Installing SciPy with pip. It is possible to install numpy with pip using pip install numpy. Is there a similar possibility with SciPy? Doing pip install SciPy does not work. Update. The package SciPy is now available to be installed with pip.
An attempt to easy_install indicates a problem with their listing in the Python package index, which pip searches. All is not lost, however. Pip can install from Subversion, SVN, Git, Mercurial, and Bazaar repositories. SciPy uses SVN. Update 12 to 2012. Since numpy is a dependency, it should be installed as well.
In Ubuntu 10.04 Lucid, I could successfully pip install SciPy within a virtual env after installing some of its dependencies, in particular. Prerequisite. Actual packages. Optional packages. SRC.
I tried all the above and nothing worked for me. This solved all my problems. Note that the U option to pip install requests that the package be upgraded. Without it, if the package is already installed, pip will inform you of this and exit without doing anything.
How to be true,